Welcome back to Advanced Installer. I'm Alex, and today we are diving into the firewall rules in MSI installations. Whether you're working with VBScript, PowerShell, or directly within Advanced Installer, we've got you covered. So first, let's explore VBScript as you're probably used to by now. In VBScript, we have the netsh.exe utility in Windows for firewall configurations. So to add a firewall rule, we'll use specific commands, right? In this example here in my firewall.vbscript, as you can see, I have a random location where I place my hello world.exe. Now, the netsh.exe, we can add firewall rules, right? So we add rules, the name of the rule, the direction, right, incoming. We allow the traffic which is coming in from the hello world.exe, and we put it to enable, and the profile is usually the domain. So this is a way you can add it. Now, as a best practice, when you add firewall rules, you should also delete them during the uninstallation phase. So we have another script here which will run the exact same command, but we will delete the role with the name hello world. Keep in mind, the name is not the same with the executable. I can place here whatever name I want for my firewall. Once you have this up and running, the scripts, you can go into the custom actions, launch attached file. I think it was with firewall, right? So this is the actual firewall definition when system is being deferred during the uninstallation phase and repair phase, and this will add your firewall rules. To remove your firewall rules, you add another custom action and you place the firewall delete, and the same when the system is being modified and during the uninstallation phase of the MSI. Good. Moving to PowerShell, the process is streamlined, especially in Windows 10 and later. In PowerShell, we have the new net firewall rule, right? This is the commandlet which allows us to configure any firewall rules and add firewall rules. In this example, I've defined the location of my hello world executable the same as before as I did with VBScript. And again, it's pretty simple to use the commandlet. You define the program, right, which is defined here. Action is to allow. The profile is again the domain. The display name is the name of the firewall rule you are going to add. The description if you want to add anything extra, and the direction is inbound. The same as with VBScript, we need to delete the firewall rule during the uninstallation phase, and for this we have the remove net firewall rule commandlet, and again it's simple, we just give it a display name. Again, don't confuse the display name with the program, and in this case it's hello world. Simple, right? Again, same here. We can either put it inline or script file. Let's put the script file because I already have it done, and I should have firewall again when the system is being modified during the installation and repair phase, and we are going to add another one, the firewall delete, when the system is being modified and during the uninstallation. So this is how you add your custom actions to manipulate firewall rules. With Advanced Installer, it might be a little bit easier because if I go to the Windows Firewall page, I have a new firewall rule, and it's quite simple. As we did with the VBScript, with the netsh and the commandlets, we can determine which direction the data is coming to, inbound or outbound. So is it coming to the executable or is it going from the executable? Let's maintain the same logic as before. Anything that is coming for this executable, the program path, we just click hello world, it will be hard coded. Any protocol, you can also configure TCP, UDP, and so forth and so on, right? Port number any, right? This is simple. and the action is to allow or to block the connection for these data packets. And I also need to put a display name, hello world, as before. Click OK, and there you go. The easy part is this with Advanced Installer is that Advanced Installer will take care to create the firewall rule during the installation and repair phase, and it will delete the firewall rule during the uninstallation. You don't need to do any additional custom actions or any additional firewall rules here. You can also import firewall rules, for example, which you have on your machine. I don't think I have anything custom here, but I don't know, TeamViewer, right, is on UDP, any port, public profile, group, scope, everything you can import, and that's pretty much it. It automatically hardcodes and gets your firewall rules, and that's it. It's nice if you are working on something that you already have installed on your machine, and it saves you up a little bit of clicks. Whether you choose VBScript or PowerShell, or the straightforward approach in Advanced Installer, configuring firewall rules in your installer ensures a secure environment for your applications. Thank you for joining me into this tutorial. Stay tuned for more for Advanced Installer, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Until next time, happy installing!